Managing projects and tasks within COR is easier than ever, so it is important to make sure that our project statuses are updated in real time and reflect the hard work being done. Ensuring that the status of each project is accurate is crucial for providing visibility over where the project stands. Under the Info tab in the project page, the Status drop-down displays the current project status. New. A new project has been created but not started. In progress. In progress indicates that the project is being worked on. On hold. For projects marked as on hold, perhaps more information is needed from a client, or internal validation is needed to move the project forward. And finished. Finally, finished means that the project has been completed and approved. Don't forget to update these as you go, no matter where in the workflow you are.